If you've been in this industry for more than a week, you know the deal. It's either 100 degrees and you're drowning in calls, or it's mild out and the phones are silent. Today we're talking about how to break the feast or famine cycle using an HVAC maintenance agreement. We're going to walk through how these contracts work, how to build a killer checklist, and why this can be the secret to a predictable, profitable shop. Let's get to it. First, let's clear up the jargon. An HVAC contract is really just a clear set of rules for the job. It says what you're doing, what it costs, and when you're doing it. It keeps everyone on the same page and protects your business. Now, while a one-time repair is great, an HVAC maintenance contract is better. It's a commitment to preventative care that keeps the customer's system running and helps keep your crew busy during the slow shoulder seasons. It can be a win-win. They get fewer breakdowns, and you get steady revenue. Creating these agreements doesn't need to be a major project. Start with a solid HVAC service agreement template and tweak it to fit your style. Focus on the basics: how many visits a year, what's included, and what the perks are, like priority scheduling or a discount on parts. When you make it easy for the customer to understand the value, it can be a much easier sell. The secret sauce to a good agreement is the HVAC maintenance checklist. It's the roadmap for your techs so that nothing gets missed. For your residential calls, focus on the health of the system, filters, the thermostats, and those refrigerant levels. But if you're doing commercial HVAC maintenance, you've got to level up. We're talking safety controls, heavy-duty coil cleaning, and belts. Having a standardized checklist for preventative HVAC maintenance shows the client you're a pro and ensures that the job is done right every single time. As you start stacking up these contracts, you're going to realize that keeping track of them on paper is a nightmare. You don't want to be the guy who forgets a service he's already been paid for. This is where field management service software like WEX FSM comes in. It automates your reoccurring billing and pops the jobs right onto your tech schedules automatically. It takes the administrative weight off your shoulders so you can focus on growing the business, not chasing paperwork. At WEX FSM, we're built to help shops like yours turn a job into a real, scalable business. Whether you're looking for an HVAC service contract solution or just a better way to manage your crew, we've got your back. Check out the links below to grab more info on the maintenance plans or to book a live demo. Thanks for hanging out. Let's get back to work.